5th Boisakh always invites not only Magna but all the children. They will be ready for the celebration of the birthday of this famous person. Who is the famous person, Magna?
Rabindranath Tagore.
What do you know all about this poet?
Rabindranath Tagore was a famous Bengali poet born in India during the Imperial British rule in India. He had
Start.
Rabindranath Tagore was a famous poet born in India during the Imperial British rule in India. He had composed various poems representing the various social classes of Bengal. He was against the imperial domination by the zamindars over the local peasants and by the company officials over the Indian merchants. He relinquished his knighthood title after the infamous Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He stands an important statue in the hearts of Indians not only as a famous poet but as an epitome of courage and will to stand against the wrongs of the society. Thank you, everyone.